Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Verkamen Law Office Legal Podcast. In this edition, we look at the expungement of criminal charges. And people, unfortunately, they make mistakes, they commit offenses. But New Jersey does have a mechanism where someone could have their criminal charge erased from the criminal court system. It's not completely erased, but at least it's not open to the public, and that's called an expungement under statute 2C:52-1. So there are waiting periods, and for example, if someone's charged with let's say a shoplifting, a theft charge, it's heard in the municipal court, it's a 5-year waiting period. If their attorney was fortunate, if the person was pled guilty to a ordinance violation, which is common down the Jersey Shore, then it's a 2-year waiting period. If the charge is dismissed after pretrial intervention, a conditional discharge, conditional dismissal, or another first offenders program, then they got to wait 6 months after that dismissal before applying. If it's an outright dismissal, let's say there's an assault charge and the victim won't testify and the charge is outright dismissed, then the person can hire their attorney and apply right away. However, typically if someone's charged with an indictable offense, in other states are called felonies, the statute says that there's a 10-year waiting period. There is a provision where they can do it after 5 years, but I tell everyone, you got to prove that you're an Eagle Scout, the burden is upon you, and it's a big project. So someone hires the attorney. I usually recommend my clients obtain from the court they went to, if it's a municipal court matter, a certified disposition. In criminal indictable charges, their judgment of conviction, if there's PTI, the PTI order for dismissal. Sometimes I got people who aren't sure because it happened a long time ago. Then I said, well, just get fingerprinted and get a criminal history. We get the paperwork, we fill out the expungement petition, and we file that with the court together with, we as the attorney prepare an order for hearing, order for expungement. We get that back from the court. The court fills in the date for a hearing, and then all those papers have to be served upon the Attorney General, the Superintendent of the State Police, the County Prosecutor, the local Chief of Police, the local court, probation, and the County Sheriff. Certified mail cards have to be then filed with the court, and if there's no objection by any of those entities, after 3 months from the beginning, the court hopefully will sign an expungement order, which then we have to serve upon law enforcement again. It is a detailed process, so it's usually not something someone can easily do on their own. For other information on expungements, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact the law office of Kenneth Verkamen in Edison at 732-572-0500.